How to fix display black and white in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option display. Now click on it, and then here you can see the dark mode. If you turn on your dark mode, then turn it off. After turn off your dark mode, then scroll down and here you can see the option general management. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and scroll down and click on factory data reset and then click on reset. Factory data reset means it will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.